colorful birds in 3D cartoon style. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a parrot, look at its green feathers and red beak.
Meet the sparrow, small, brown, and very cute.
Here comes the peacock, wow, its feathers are so colorful.
This is a mighty eagle, flying high in the sky.
Say hello to the owl, big eyes and wise look.
This is a pigeon, soft, gray, and calm.
Here's the crow, shiny black feathers, very clever.
Meet the kingfisher, blue and orange colors, sitting near water.
This is a duck swimming happily on the pond. Look at the swan,
White and graceful on the lake.
this is a hen, brown feathers, busy on the farm. Here's the rooster, colorful and proud. This is a woodpecker, pecks trees for food. Say hi to the flamingo, pink and standing on one leg.
This is a penguin, standing on ice, cute and round.
Look at the hummingbird, flapping wings super fast.
This is a seagull, flying above the ocean waves.
Here's the canary, bright yellow and cheerful. This is a pelican, big beak, near water. Finally meet the vulture, large wings, perched on a cliff. Great job, kids! Now you know 20 birds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun videos to learn new things. See you next time!
Hello kids! Today we are going to meet some amazing insects.
Butterfly. Look, a butterfly, colorful and bright, flying happily in the light. Ant. Here's an ant, tiny and small, crawling slowly. That's all. Bee.
Buzz, buzz, it's a bee, flying busy, happy and free.
Happy and free.
Mosquito with a long nose, buzzing everywhere it goes.
Buzzing everywhere it goes.
See the fly, tiny and fast, zipping by as it zooms past.
Zipping by as it zooms past.
Grasshopper,
A grasshopper jumps so high, hopping up into the sky.
ladybug,
A ladybug, red with spots so neat, crawling slowly, looking sweet.
dragonfly,
Look, a dragonfly with shiny wings, flying near the water springs.
a beetle with a shiny shell, walking slowly, all is well.
Walking slowly, all is well.
Caterpillar,
See the caterpillar on a leaf, crawling gently, short and brief.
spider,
Here's a spider spinning a thread, making a web for its bed.
cricket,
A cricket sings a chirpy song, jumping happily all day long.
wasp,
A wasp with yellow and black stripes, flying around, buzzing types.
termite,
Here's a termite, tiny and quick, chewing wood with a little trick.
moth,
A moth with wings so light, flying softly in the night.
cockroach,
Look, a cockroach, shiny and brown, running fast around the ground.
firefly,
A firefly glowing in the night, tiny bug with a shining light.
praying mantis,
Praying mantis, see the praying mantis tall, folding arms and watching all.
flea,
A flea so tiny, jumping high, bouncing quickly, oh my, oh my.
earwig, here's an earwig not too tall, crawling gently, not scary at all.
Great job, kids! You learned so many insects today. Keep watching our animal series to discover more amazing creatures.